Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome to this writing lesson. Today we will write and review animals and past simple, irregular verbs.
Great. I am ready to practice writing.
First, we will do listen and write to hear a short text and write the words. Second, we will do make a sentence to create simple sentences with key words.
Writing helps me see the words clearly.
Good. Let us start with listen and write. Listen and write. This activity is a dictation. I will read a text aloud, and you write what you hear.
I will listen carefully and write.
Listen to the whole text first to get the general idea. Write what you hear during the dictation, word by word. Check and correct by comparing your writing with the original text. Keep your notebook ready and do not worry about mistakes.
I have my pencil and paper.
Excellent. Now listen to the dictation. Yesterday, I went to a small farm with my brother. We saw a horse, a cow, and 3 ducks. A dog ran near the gate, but it did not chase the cat. This morning, I wrote about the animals in my notebook. Now I will read the text slowly in small parts. Nexo, are you ready to write?
Yes, I am ready.
Great. Let us begin. Yesterday, I went to a small farm. With my brother. We saw a horse. A cow and 3 ducks. A dog ran near the gate. But it did not chase the cat. This morning, I wrote about the animals in my notebook. Well done, everyone. Nexo, how was the dictation?
It was good, but I need to check some words.
Now compare your writing with the original text and correct the mistakes. Make a sentence. Now, we will build 6 sentences, one for each main word. You can use 20 helper words and try the past simple with irregular verbs.
I will make short and clear sentences.
See an example as Nexo does the exercise first. Make your sentences with the main words and the helper words. Use simple ideas and write one complete sentence for each word. Nexo, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready to write. Cat. Yesterday, I saw a cat in the garden. Dog. The dog ran to the door this morning. Bird. Last night, we heard a bird near the window. Fish. I did not see the fish yesterday. Horse. Did you see the horse on the farm? Rabbit. This morning, the rabbit lay under the tree.
Great job, Nexo. Now it is your turn. Pause the video and complete the 6 sentences.
I will pause and write my answers.
Good job. Good job. You practiced writing with animals and irregular past verbs. See you in the next writing lesson.